What's up, y'all? It's your boy, the BlackChivalrousNerd, back at it again with another episode of BC and Rex to K-pop, and this time it is Black Swan and their song Cat and Mouse. Let's go. No.
See, first of all,
향기를 뿜어내 고개를 돌리네 멍청하게 그래 나 맡아 둥지둥대 묘한 얼굴에 마음을 가로채 내 잡히는 스미져 날 끌어당기네 사라져는 한순간에 스며드는 이 주위에 한다는 너의 눈 새침하고 도도하지 깜빡하면 이성이라 방심은 너구문 We get a mouse 나는 너를 원해줘 검사하지 매술 We get a mouse 나는 내게 매번 눈 감당하는 내 심술 Yeah, just one look and I go insane 내 얼굴을 왜 파괴돼 뜨거운 너의 그 온기 눈길
Come on, Fatu.
매력적인 내 모습에
Hey.
Singing like a violin
Oh.
둥글지는 나에게 궁금하지 내 모든 게네 입의 생각뿐 원한다면 내거 말지 욕심내는 이 모든 널다 말게 내 전부 We get a mouse 나는 너를 원해줘 감사하지 매술 We get a mouse 나는 내게 매번 눈 감당하는 내 심술 자라나는 호기심보다
Okay.
가로막는 이 벽을 부숴줘 나 I think I need you You get a nice 근데 나는 너무 두려워 내 맘을 You get a nice 달라붙어 like a boot 끈적거려 내 맘도 즐거웠어 이제는 떠나지 하지 마라 질적거리는 것만
Okay. All right. So that was Black Swan with Cat and Mouse. What can be said about that? That was a good. I enjoyed that. You know, the music was given like, I want to say, not really disco, but more like that it was like that like late 70s, early 80s, like synthwave style. The aesthetic wise, look like camera wise, they was trying to go like lens wise. They were just going for like an older camera lens to give it like that agey look. You know what I mean? Like aesthetic, that kind of agey aesthetic. The girls were girling, the outfits were outfitting. You can definitely tell that they used the budget on this one. The budget was budgeting. That's all I'm saying. The budget was budgeting, babies. But yeah, I'm all for it. Like I said, guys, I'm keep the ball rolling with Black Swan. Keep it rolling, keep it rolling, keep it rolling, babies. But other than that, what did you guys think about the video? Let's have the conversation. And yeah, make sure you guys jump on that subscribe button because more are on the way. Like I said, thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, this channel is in the midst of growing. We're doing more things, bigger things. We're branching out to other trying to branch out into other avenues. And all I ask is that you guys continue to support the channel, in however that is. But yes, so just keep on strap in and buckle up, and because we going on for a ride with this channel. But in the meantime, y'all, love, peace, bacon, grease. Catch y'all in the next one. And we